Did you visualize?
Yes, I did.
You did? What you visualize?
Visualize me smacking him up.
What else?
Winning.
Any kind of specific way that you did it? Knees?
Knockout, knee.
For real?
Yes.
What round?
First round.
You put it out in the first round in your mind's eye?
Yes.
Damn. He say, I ain't fresh. I ain't fresh. I ain't fresh.
Feeling ready.
Ready.
I think you're gonna do fantastic.
Me too.
You do too?
Yes.
You been watching a lot of footage?
Yes.
You have?
Yes. We're getting ourselves for the fight. For tonight. The fight tonight. Hey.
Tonight's fight. Today's fight. Don't matter. Say it however you want to say it.
The thing I would say to a first-time fighter is just to stay calm. You know, don't think about it too much, but don't overthink it, but think about it. You know, just stay calm, stay relaxed, and then save your energy so when you get in there, you're not overhyped and you're not drained, basically. We're heading to the venue right now to get weighed in, checked in, and then, you know, this is most likely the hardest part for you guys. Oh, I know for sure it is for me, so, you know, just stay calm, don't think about it too much. You know, I'm ready. There's nothing really going on, but it's just you and your thoughts. So, this is probably the hardest part because whenever you're writing, it's just you and your thoughts. And the way I go about my thoughts on that, I just go to sleep. But for, let's say that you're an adult, you're driving there, you know, just put on some good music and just, you know, just drive. Just meditate on greatness. Just let the spirit use me, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Just let it flow. Whatever comes out, comes out. Whatever happens, happens. Bars.
Born and raised. San Antonio, Texas, man.
Man, that boy finally moved out there.
It's just like Compton.
JJ was talking about him yesterday. He was just bragging on. There was a little boy that he boxed, and JJ showed him some of his work, some of little TJ work. The little dude say, "Oh, I can take it." JJ say, "Bro, stop it, bro." JJ say, "Stop it, bro." Man.
So I just got my hair cut. Now we're gonna go to the venue to get weighed in, and then after that we're gonna get some food, and then get ready to smoke somebody's boots.
What you feel like eating?
I feel like eating some. I want to eat, you know, some candy or something, but you know, I know I can't do that. Probably gonna get some apples or some grilled chicken. You know, some grilled chicken, and you know, eat. Go back to just rest, let it digest, bars, then get ready.
What? 176. Kilos. 5 pounds heavy.
Alright, I eat a Muay Thai. We just sprayed in. Now we go eat and then we fight. This is Mr. Beecher right here. Good friend.
This guy.
Yeah.
This guy.
Yeah, really good. I weighed in at 109. Oh, yeah, 109.
Flush it around if you need to. There you go. Oh, shit.
So just finished the fight. Very, 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 very good fight in my position, And the crowd was very loud. I took it in and I just let it out on that guy. I was saying in my head, if any of you guys want to get in here and go with me, come on then. I'm standing on big 10 toes, big minister. Every time I threw a kick, I just felt him, getting more and more weak. I just felt it, each kick. I felt unstoppable in there. The match was very good. I think I did amazing. I could have did a little more, but I'm very happy with my performance. And now, we chill, we eat, and we watch movies, play the game, just for 4 days, and back on the grind grizzle. And now we're at Buc-ee's, and now, we do a little tradition. Get some free victory lap snacks. One of my favorite part about after my fights, just to see everything. And whenever you're eating it, it's not like you're just eating, candy or snacks. It's like you're eating victory. Just so nice. So inspirational, man. Look at Curry.